Hello and welcome to 1421 East Marlowe Avenue in Indianapolis, Indiana, 46201. This beautiful historic home has been recently renovated and remodeled and is on the market today, 6/13 of 22, for $519,900. For more information about this home, please call 317-752-8622. But for now, let's go on a tour. This home is legally in Arsenal Park, but is in the popular area of Holy Cross. It is near Woodruff Place and Highland Park. Most of the homes on this street have been restored, renovated, or remodeled. It's a beautiful, quiet street, close to downtown, close to Fountain Square, and close to all that Indianapolis has to offer. Let's go in and take a look. We are in Center Township, Marion County. This home at 1421 East Marlowe has a beautiful big front porch, has beautiful brick features, new vinyl windows on the inside, has a lovely side patio, a big side yard, and it will have a 2-car garage. This home is 3,300 square feet. Downstairs is 1,253. Upstairs there are 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. This home has a beautiful mix of original character, including the stairwell and these 2 windows, and all the modern new amenities that you would want, and wonderful new features like this luxury vinyl plank flooring. So let's take a look. This is the living room. The living room has nice recessed lighting. The windows here are original. This home is light and bright, has lots of windows, high ceilings. It's a very open floor plan as we move from the living room to the dining room. For more information on this home, call 317-752-8622. This is the dining room. It has the new vinyl thermal windows, nice energy saving feature. We did some virtual staging to show people how big the rooms are and how they can be arranged. There's a virtual staging of the living room. As you can see, it would hold a lot of furniture. The home is very neutral, so it's just waiting for your personality. This is an example of how one might furnish the dining room. This is a small hallway that goes from the beautiful entryway into the dining room. This door goes to the cellar. It has a 700 square foot basement that is truly an old-fashioned cellar. Good for tornadoes, and it holds the mechanicals. We have a new furnace, air conditioner, and water heater in the home. Plumbing and electrical are new. This home has a beautiful non-functional fireplace. It's one of the original historic features of the home. It gives some beautiful charm and character. The light fixtures have been added as period pieces. We still have the luxury vinyl tile that has a nice combination of gray and beige. So you have cool or warm tones, including this grayish paint, to decorate any way you want to. Here's the large kitchen. The whole home is 3,377, and this downstairs is 1,300 square feet. The kitchen has this beautiful bay window. It has all new custom cabinetry, beautiful matte finish, stone countertops, a 5-burner gas range, high-end appliances, stainless steel, they're all included. Got a farmhouse sink with a modern fixture. There's a powder room in the back with a neat pedestal sink. Just an example of the juxtaposition of modern and historic in this beautiful home. The backyard will include a 2-car garage or a $20,000 discount from the current purchase price of $519,900 can be taken. Today is 6/13/22. This is the laundry room. It is large. It is one of 2 laundries in this home. How about that? The home has 2 ensuite master bedrooms. One is downstairs. Again, the luxury vinyl plank flooring, new casement, twist out vinyl windows. There's a privacy fence. There's a large closet and a hookup for a washer and dryer in this master suite. The closets will be built to suit. That's why they aren't here yet. The renovation company would like to configure the closets as you would enjoy them. This room has the character of the exposed brick and a large master bath. The vinyl plank flooring makes this waterproof. Beautiful cabinetry, more exposed brick, restoration hardware style period lighting, and this great step-in shower. The step-in shower makes this downstairs ensuite a perfect spot for a grandma's room, guest room, and it's handy access to the kitchen. I'm going to do a separate tour of the upstairs. You'll notice how open the floor plan is here at 1421 East Marlowe, Indianapolis, 46201. And for more information, call 317-752-8622.